What's going on YouTube? Salt Life Kid here and welcome back to my channel. A few weeks ago, me and my dad threw my GoPro into alligator infested water, but today we're down in the Gloucester Harbor and we're going to be throwing my GoPro off the dock. So it's going to be really awesome, so let's get into the video. So we're about to throw it in, getting the rope all ready. Throw it in. We're going to leave it for a few. Just see what we can get. A while back we were down here and we saw a seal literally right there, like a seal. Remember that, Dad?
I do. It was awesome.
Yeah. So we pulled it out. Let's just check it. So we're pulling in the GoPro because there's a bolt pulling up, I think. Wait, no, he's turning in there, so we're fine. Okay, so it's my turn to throw it in. It's in the water. We'll leave it there for a few minutes, then come back and see if we saw anything. So we're not going to actually know if we saw anything until I'm editing, so you'll know like probably around now when we throw it in, but I won't know until I'm editing. Okay, so he's about to throw it in again. We'll leave it there for a few minutes and then come back and see what we got. So we're now taking off like my buoy floating thing for the GoPro, and we're gonna put it in right here without the buoy so it goes down a little. We're gonna hope and see if we can see any cool fish under the dock, or maybe, hopefully, probably not though, if we see a flounder, that'd be cool. So guys, this is going to be the end of the video. We saw a lot of cool things. I hope we saw some things on the camera. I hope you guys saw something really cool with the GoPro. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.